Eric Jones, Medicare for Idaho. We also have a website called MedicareForIdaho.com. We're part of a larger national family called Bridlewood Insurance Services. And it's our job to help people in Idaho who have questions about Medicare. We're right here in Idaho. I live here with my wife and 6 children. And so it's fun for us to go out and meet with people at their homes and just meet with them and learn a little bit more about who they are and what their situation is. And that's what's really exciting for me, is just helping people. We're brokers, and so as a broker, we're not tied to just one company. We can go out and find a good plan, whether it's a Blue Cross plan or a United Healthcare plan or a Select Health. You know, we can make sure that we're doing the right thing for our clients, and that's what I'm passionate about and what I get excited about when I go out. We also have a website called MedicareForIdaho.com. Always feel free to jump on that if you want. We have some videos, we have some information there that might help you out with making a better decision. We have a Facebook page, and on that Facebook page we do weekly live events. We actually do 2 live events every week. Hopefully, you know, if we're able to help you or someone you know, we'd love to do so, and we always enjoy the referrals. So again, Eric Jones, hope we're able to help you.